How to make a magic ring. Open your non-dominant hand with your palm facing up. Hold your yarn in front of your hand. Wrap the yarn around your pinky finger once. Bring the yarn up the front of your hand until you can drape it over your pointer finger. Wrap the yarn around your middle finger once to form an X-shaped loop on top of your middle finger. Pinch the center of the X firmly. Leave a 4-6 inch yarn tail. Insert the hook into the center of this X-shaped loop. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the X-shaped loop. You will now have one loop on your hook. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop on your hook. Keep your yarn holding hand's pointer finger relaxed. This will make it much easier to pull the yarn through the loop on your hook. Keep hook lip down when pulling through loop. A standing chain is complete. The standing chain is not valid stitches and do not count toward your total stitch count. Next, work your first round of stitches following your pattern. This tutorial shows a magic ring start with single crochet. Insert your hook into the center of the magic ring. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the ring to pull up one loop. You will now have 2 loops on your hook. The ideal crochet tension is to have the loops on your hook not too tight, not too loose, just snug enough to fit around your hook. Yarn over again, pull the yarn through both loops on your hook. You have now worked one single crochet stitch into the magic ring. Keep the magic ring on your middle finger while you work. Work the specified number of single crochet stitches into the magic ring. You have worked all specified stitches for the first round. Lengthen the loop on your hook and remove your hook. This will keep you from losing the stitch you just worked. Ready for the next round, you'll need to close the magic ring first. Find the yarn tail. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the magic ring. The magic ring is complete. To finish the first round, you will join to the first stitch with a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the first stitch of the round. Yarn over, pull the yarn through both the working stitch and the loop on your hook. Your first round is complete.